Welcome to Power of AI. Woo.
AI is not just a machine system. It's a new way of thinking.
Right.
When your alarm rings, that's AI.
No, well, AI is learning to understand us, but are we understanding it?
People say AI will take our jobs. I say it will take jobs from those who stop learning.
We moved from typewriters to computers, now from computers to AI.
AI's real magic is that it amplifies human ideas.
You think it writes.
Yeah.
I asked AI for a perfect caption. It said, "You're already perfect." If humans stop thinking, AI becomes our biggest enemy. Technology isn't evil. The intent of humans using it decides that. Don't fear AI, Te-ai. Ku, learn it, master it, lead it. AI might be patient, but it doesn't have empathy.
That's our job. And AI will be doctors, teachers, even judges. But only humans decide what's right.
AI won't replace you. It'll push you to become better. I asked AI to tell me my future. It said, "Your future is what you create." AI threatens those who stay in their comfort zone. Yeah.
But rewards those who evolve.
AI isn't a tool.
AI isn't a tool, it's a mindset.
AI taught me something, to Pra. Imagination is more important than information.
Tomorrow's winners will be those who use AI to uplift humanity.
Knowledge is power.
But AI is superpower.